Lise, you get me so upset sometimes. What makes you think you can just push me around and get your own way?
Because I always get my way.
You know, you are just being a bully.
Huh? What? No way. I can't be a bully. I'm only 7 years old.
Yes, you can. 7-year-olds can be bullies just as much as 10-year-olds or 11 or 12-year-olds. Anyone can be a bully.